The Inala Jurassic Garden was started so that people could see the ancient lineages of Gondwana and flora. Gondwana was an ancient supercontinent that started breaking up in the Jurassic period and now forms Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, South America. Gondwana split up and carted off its various plants. And you can still see the family resemblances today. So you can compare a South American specimen with an Australian specimen, you can see the resemblances. And a lot of these ancient lineages, a lot of these things that have been around 250, 300 million years are now in a lot of trouble because of climate change and human-induced changes. Now the additional part is that we're doing a lot of conservation work particularly on critically endangered species. There's around 700 species here now. It's quite an extensive collection for a small patch of land. In addition to the garden, we've got 2 accommodation cottages. So people can choose to come and stay, visit the garden. The property is 1,500 acres. Most of it is natural bush. We offer tours of the property, which are 3-hour walking tours with one of our specialist guides. We get a lot of bird watchers, but we also have people interested in plants or mammals or photography or, just general natural history. We have over 80 species of birds on the property and all of the Tasmanian endemics. And we've particularly got one of the most highly sought after, which is the 40-spotted pardalote. We do a lot of hand rearing of orphaned wildlife and we release them on the property. We also have tours of Bruny Island.
The one behind is the juvenile.
We have tours around Tasmania, different parts of Australia, and now we've gone global. And we're very lucky to have a specialist team of awesome guides that run these tours with me. To us, everybody matters. So when they come through the door, they're our friends that we want to show around. We want to keep it personal. We want to remember people. We want to have that interaction afterwards because it's very special for us to know that we're making a difference in people's lives, that we're providing an amazing experience for them that isn't just another tour.